Hi guys, Erica Sierra here with another video. I wanted to share my top 5 necessary accessories for any planner. This is for someone that is planning on a weekly, daily, or monthly basis, or using stickers, or using a TN, Erin Condren, Happy Planner, like anything that you're using. These are my top 5 essentials that you'll need to plan successfully. Now, a lot of these things, well, you know what, everything. I made sure everything that you can get is on Amazon. Yeah, let's just get right to it. So the first thing I want to share with you are probably one of the things I didn't think that I would need, just because I have other like cutting tools and things like that. This right here is precision scissors. Now, what that basically means is that they're not like your ordinary scissors. They don't have the long cutting tips. They're actually very short and very sharp, I might add. For me, these do come in handy because they have the handles like regular scissors, so they're comfortable to hold and they have a very good grip. These in particular are by the brand Westcott. They are 6 inches and they are titanium. You definitely can get these off of Amazon. They are for $8 and they actually come with a cap. And I think this is very important. The other thing it did come with, which I thought was a little weird, but I guess not if you're crafting and things like that, was a lanyard to put on the very tip of the cap. So there's a hole there. It came with a lanyard so it can go inside the hole and, you know, hang around your neck or something like that. I actually threw mine away because I didn't think they were necessary. They come in 2 different colors, a pink color and violet, and this is the violet. With the pink color, it's a darker pink with a lighter pink inside. With the violet, it is violet on the outside and a light pink on the inside. So yeah, these are Westcott 6-inch titanium precision scissors. The next things that I think that you definitely should have when you're planning, especially if you're using stickers, which I think a lot of us do use, Tweezer Set. And this tweezer set is by All in Box. They are precision tweezers and you do get a 3-piece set in this little kit. You get a purple, a black, and a pink set. So the first one here is the one I use this all the time, and I'm sure you guys recognize it. You see it all the time. These are absolutely the best tweezers ever. What I like about these is that they're very sturdy and very, very strong. And I love that it has that little saying on there, pull here. I think that is very cute and they all have that. This is the black flat set. So if you can see, it doesn't have any slant to it or any point. It's just the flat tweezers. And then this one here is the pink set, and this is the slanted version. If you can see, it is slanted, and for the set of 3 they are $13. The next thing I want to share with you is probably a lifesaver. I think a lot of people actually use this stuff. It was just introduced to me this year. I was introduced to Undo. Now Undo is a sticker tape and label remover, and you do get 4 ounces in this little bottle. The thing with the one I have, this is the original formula, which cannot be sold in California, but it has the ability to restick the stickers, and it has no oily or greasy stains. Like, it won't leave any stains on your paper or whatever you're taking the sticker off of. Now, the way the ability to restick the sticker works is that solution temporarily, it neutralizes the adhesives, and then it quickly evaporates, allowing the sticker to be reused. So I think that was really cool that not only can you take off your sticker, but your sticker is usable. Like, you can reuse your sticker. I know in California that this is not compliant, the original one. They do have a low VOC, which is volatile organic compound, for California residents. It basically means that the way chemists describe volatile is a liquid that evaporates at room temperature, which this definitely does. And the term organic means that is a compound that contains carbon. And VOCs are basically solvents that get released into the air as like products, like the product dries, which can cause like headaches and dizziness and things like that. It has a harsh like paint remover smell, but it quickly goes away as soon as the product dries, so I don't really mind that. A trick that I learned with this guy here is to always put the entire liquid on the sticker you want to remove, and then you can remove it. Next things I want to talk about are basically in the same family, and I have said things about these in the past. I definitely love using an Exacto knife. So this is what an Exacto knife looks like. This one in particular is the Z series, so it comes with a safety cap, and it's a very sharp blade, and it is coated with zirconium nitrate. It does come with interchangeable blades, so literally all you do is spin this here at the very top, and then you can pull out your blade, and you can always either slip it back in to store it. I mean, take it out to store it and then slip it back in when you need it, or you can change them out. And literally Exacto has over 20 different blades that you can use with this guy here. So that's one of the reasons why I prefer the Exacto knife. It's easier to handle. My blade is very, very thin, very sharp. To me, it's more precise than anything else, and I love how chic and like it's just metal. It's gorgeous. I love it. So the next thing that's like the new thing now is this guy here, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube in the planning world. This is the slice tool. So this is a precision cutter with a ceramic blade. Now, I hate this thing. And I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but it's not as, for me, because I'm so used to that Exacto knife, I feel like it's very bulky. I feel like it's definitely heavier than that Exacto knife. It's great that it's a ceramic blade, so it's definitely safer to use. It's like less accidents. You're not likely to cut yourself on this guy here like you are on that Exacto knife. If you're not careful, you can definitely hurt yourself. But I don't like that it's non-replaceable. So once it wears out, and I mean, it takes a long time for it to wear out, but once it wears out, you just have to buy another one. The Exacto knife basically is $3.99. You can get a pack of the replacement blades for like $5 for 15. And I feel as though the blade that I've had on there for a while, since like planning, has been on there for over a year, and it hasn't broken. It still cuts very sharply, and I only use it for planning. I have another one for crafting, and that one definitely uses more blades, but for planning, that Exacto knife is probably one of the best for me. With this slice tool, it is said that it lasts up to 11 times longer than the stainless steel blades. If you're not used to the Exacto knife, then yeah, definitely get the slice tool, because the Exacto knife, like I've said before, if you make the wrong cut or wrong move, you definitely can injure yourself. With the slice tool, you can't do that. So the next thing that I want to share with you guys is film whiteout, which is probably one of the best. I, for one, don't feel like whiteout is too important to get something too fancy. I do these little whiteout, I don't know, what do you call them? Like little whiteout, like little dispensers. And they come in all different shapes and sizes, but in particular, the reason why I like this is because it can fit in your hand, and it's like holding a pen, and you can get as close and precise a line as you would like. I do know that Bic is not the only one that has these. Everyone has them. Tombow is one of the probably more popular ones. But I don't feel like I need to spend a ton of money on something that I could just get a ton of, like, it doesn't matter. I can get a lot of these. On Amazon, these run probably around $11, but you get a pack of 4. But it is Bic whiteout, and is a correction tape, and it is in white. It has the natural shape, as I said, and it goes on dry and tear resistant. And it goes on dry, and this is the important thing, is because you can either write on it immediately or put something on top of it immediately. So what I use this for is basically my washi. Whenever I'm putting down washi tape and I have lines in my way, I always white out the lines just so you don't see them in the background. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I don't feel like it's cohesive when you see like the lines you're going over, and that makes sure your planner, when you're able to change it and do different things and make it your own. And this whiteout definitely helps. It might not seem like anything big, but you definitely need one of these if you are a planner. Alright guys, that is all for today. That is everything that I have for you. I hope you learned a little bit. That VOC thing, I love chemistry. I am a nerd, I'm sorry, but I had to bring some education in for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is everything that you will need. I guess not everything, but the top 5 things that I say that I grab immediately when I'm doing a plan with me. This is all you need. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.